No one can really agree on where or how General Tso's chicken was created or how it even became a thing. But there's one thing about it. Does it even matter? I mean, that's just how good it is. Come on, the recipe has one of my favorite ingredients, fried chicken. Huh? I mean, listen, it is so good that you could whip it up real quick for a weeknight dinner, or if you want to, you can even invite a couple of friends over, have yourself a little party, and get to frying, because let me tell you something, everybody is going to be happy. Now, let's work on the sauce first. I'm gonna add some garlic to a measuring cup. Now to that, I'm gonna add in some soy sauce, a little bit of rice vinegar, some hoisin, brown sugar, and a little ketchup, some water, and cornstarch. I'll give it a mix and then just set that aside. Meanwhile, here's what I wanna do. I wanna cut into the chicken thighs, and I'm gonna season them liberally with salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili paste. I couldn't leave out the buttermilk. I mean, I tried. So a little splash of buttermilk is gonna go in, and then flour and cornstarch, they're gonna be the coating. I'll thread the chicken onto skewers, and then I'm gonna fry them until they are crispy, crunchy, and golden brown. Now, of course, when they're done, I'll put them on paper towels to drain. Remember that sauce? All we do is throw it into a skillet and then bring it to a simmer. When the sauce has thickened, we'll toss in the chicken and then we'll coat it evenly. Now, all we've got to do is serve it over rice, and then I usually garnish it with a little bit of scallion and then also some sesame seeds. This is a perfect weeknight recipe for you to try. It's absolutely outstanding. And there are two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours.